Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So till yesterday in our last class we finished our fourth chapter, half of the exercises bit. So today we will complete our rest of the exercise. So take out the readers and page number 28, sorry page 29. So till 28 we have finished in our last class. Today we will start with the vocabulary part. Here pick the correct word for each sentence. Okay, these words are homophones. What are these words called as? These words are called as homophones. So what are homophones? Homophones are those words whose spelling are different but the sound is same. When we hear those words it seems that those are same words, the pronunciation is same but the spelling when they are written they are different. Homophones like C, S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C. When we spell this word, it is the same, C, C, isn't it? But while writing, this spellings different, okay? The spellings are different, they get different. S-E-E-C means what we are watching. S-E-A-C is a vast place of water, isn't it? Both are different, they both are different in their meanings, they both are different in their spelling also. But while pronunciation, they sound same. As in for cell, C-E-L-L, cell, S-E-L-L, cell, cell and cell. These two words are pronounced same as cell, cell. But their meanings are different and their spellings are different, isn't it? No, K-N-O-W, no, and N-O, no. No, no. These two words are same, right? While pronunciation, these both are same, but their meanings and their spellings both are different. So these types of words, those sounds are similar, are words called as homophones. Okay kids, so here some of the homophones are given. So according to the sentence, we have to put the proper word in the place. Like look here for the first one, he wanted his little brother not to break the toy. Which break? B-R-A-K-E break or B-R-E-A-K break? Yeah, B-R-E-A-K break, not to break the toy. Next one, people paid a reduced dash to ride the bus. What should come? F-A-I-R fare or F-A-R-E fare? Yes, F-A-R-E fare. Next, Alicia dashed the sweet sound of a cuckoo. The options are H-E-A-R-D, heard, H-E-R-D, heard. What she heard? Heard or heard? It is heard, H-E-R-D, heard. Alicia heard the sound of a sweet cuckoo, H-E-A-R-D, heard. The bread recipe requires 3 cups of. What does that bread recipe require? F-L-O-U-R, flour or F-L-O-W-R, flour? Which one? F-L-O-U-R, flour. Okay. Now, next one. We wear warm clothes on a dash day. Which day? C-H-I-L-I chilly or C-H-I-L-L-Y chilly? Which one? Which day? Yes, chilly days. That is C-H-I-L-L-Y, chilly day. The painter used a ladder to reach the ceiling. Painter used a ladder to reach the ceiling. Which one? C-E-I-L-I-N-G ceiling or S-E-A-L-I-N-G ceiling? That is C-E-A-L-I-N-G ceiling. Next one. She needs to hire some part-time helpers. She needs to hire part-time helpers. Which hire? H-I-G-H-E-R hire or H-I-R-E hire? H-I-R-E hire. Next. We watch the jet soar into the clouds. Which one soar? S-O-A-R soar or S-O-R-E soar? S-O-A-R soar. Okay kids, I hope you understood this one. Now next one, in each row circle the word that is spelled wrongly. Write the correct spelling in the space provided. Okay, so here 5 words have been given. In this, one word is wrongly spelled. Okay, so we have to check the correct spelling and write it here. Like first one, finally, quickly, easily. Which one is wrongly spelled? Can you guess it out? Yes, it is easily. So it is ly wrong. We have to write easily, easily. Now next one, 12, yourself, themselves. Which one is wrong? It is 12. Correct one is TWELVE, 12. Next, contain, remain, maintain. Which one? Yeah, remain. Well, finally, remain. So correct one is REMAIN, remain. Next, trouble, bubble, couple. So the spelling of couple is wrong here. Correct one is COUPLE, couple. Next one, weather, pleasure, sweater. Which one is wrong here? Sweater. So it is SWEETER, sweater. Next one, read the following OU words aloud. Note two different sounds of OU in these words. Separate them in two groups. Okay. So in our last chapter also we have done this, short sound and long sound, vowel sound. So here from this box we have to differentiate two sounds, long sound of OU and short sound of OU. Okay. So while pronunciation we can figure it out. So first one, trouble. Okay, which one? Trouble. So OU का sound क्या आ रहा है? Short आ रहा है, trouble. So write it in the short column. Okay. Next one, cloud. Cloud. Sound of OU is shout. Write in short column. Double. Double. Sound of OU is short. So write in the short column. House. House. Spelling stress क्या हो रही है? OU stress हो रहा है. तो long in the, write in the long column. Couple. Sound क्या हो रहा है? OU का short हो रहा है. तो write it in the short column. Shout. Spelling क्या हो रही है? Stress हो रही है. Word क्या हो रहा है? Stress हो रहा है. तो write it in the long column. Ground. Ground. Stress हो रहा है. Write it in the long column. Count. OU word. Stress हो रहा है. तो write it in the long column. So in the short column you have trouble, cloud, double, couple, and in the longer one you have house, shout, ground, count. Okay kids? Fine. Now come up to your next page. Here, speaking skill you are having. So work in pairs and talk as these children are talking. Okay. So you have to take a partner in your home, your brother, sister or anyone. So you have to form pairs and have a conversation with them. Alisha, could you give me your pencil please? Lata, sure, here it is. Then Alisha, what is she saying? Thank you. Then Lata says, you are welcome. So this type of conversation भी आपको क्या करना है? घर पे same way में बात करना है आपको. You have to try to speak. As in, can you give me your pencil please? To your brother, आपके sister जो भी हो. You should ask him, can you give me your pencil? So return what will say? They will say, okay, here it is. Then what you will say after taking the pencil? You must say, thank you. And what will she say in the return? She will say, you are welcome. Okay. Now next one. ये तो क्या हो गया हमारा? Positive वाला हो गया. अभी किसी को मना करना है. You are trying to say them no. So how will you say? In a polite way. Aman, could you give me your pencil please? So Asha is saying, no, I'm sorry, I need it. Aman says, it's alright, I'll ask Rishi. तभी आप किसी को, आपके सिस्टर को कोई चीज़ पूछोगे कि can you give me your pencil please? So she will reply you in a polite way कि no, I'm sorry, I need it. So what should you say? In return, what should you say? You should say, okay, it's alright, I'll ask our brother, your sister, कोई भी और, okay? It's okay, but whenever you are refusing someone, you should accept that refusal and say it's alright. Okay kids? Fine. Now come next to the writing part. Look at the picture and complete the paragraph with the words in the help box. So, here are the words in our help box. So, using these words we have to complete this short story. The words are saved, kind, place, palace, time and kingdom. So, according to the passage, once upon a, what should come here? Time. Once upon a time there lived a king. He was a what? He was kind and generous king. Kind and a second. All the people in his kingdom, third is kingdom, were happy. One day a great flood came and swept away his palace. Fourth one is palace. And most of the city. Many of the people were drowned. The king sent his men who carried everyone to some high place. Fifth one is place. In this way the king saved his people. Okay. Can you see this? I will read out once again. Once upon a time there lived a king. He was a kind and generous king. All the people in his kingdom were happy. One day a great flood came and swept away his palace and most of the city. Many of the people were drowned. The king sent his men who carried everyone to some high place. In this way the king saved his people. Okay. Now, next one, thinking skill. We can make 9 words from the feather without changing the order of the letters. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है? Without changing the, ये एक letter दिया गया है feather. So with from this word feather we can make 9 words. Okay, like far. Okay, he, her, the, the in feather, fat fat, at, eat eat, feat feet, fear fear. Okay, है ना? From this word, one word, we made out 9 words. So same way here also a word is given Constantinople. From this word we have to make out 9 words. So one we can make it as tan. Okay. Other word will be tin. Next we can write it as pole. Okay. Then constant. Right kids? Next ant. Then instant. T-A-N-T, instant. Then antelope. A-N-T-E-I, anti, L-O-P-E, lope. Okay. Next, these 2 words you have to find out. Okay. I did the rest. You have to find out the other 2. So you can change the order of the letters. आगे पीछे भी करके आप you can make out 2 new words from this word. Okay. Now, come to the next one. Can you write a word for the colored letters? यहाँ क्या दिया गया है? Can you write a word? So first one, do not catch a bee. Letter क्या दिया है? B. A bee may sting you. Which bee? Just alphabet B or B-E-E-B? An insect. It's B-E-E-B. Next one. Are you a boy or are you a girl? So what should be there? R, same as homophones. R, alphabet R is A-R-E-R, right kids? A-R-E-R. Next one. We are going to see the Taj tomorrow. So V is V, C is S-E-E-C. Enjoying? So we are going to see the Taj tomorrow. We are too near. Sorry, U. Y-O-U. R is A-R-E-R. 2 becomes T-W-O. T-O-O, 2. Isn't it kids? We are too near. Next one. A person with only one eye cannot see much. I. The red letter is I. So it is I. E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. Okay kids. So now, did you all got that? I hope so. Now come up to the next page. So with that last exercise, we have finished our exercises, completed. Now what you have to do as your homework part, you have to solve this unit test paper 1. Okay. So till now we have finished our 4 chapters, that is 1 to 4. Based on those chapters, some questions are being given here and some objective type also is given here. You have to solve this on your own. Okay. You have to find out these question answers, learn these question answers and solve this one. What do you have to do? You have to completely solve and write this question paper in your homework notebooks. Fine. So as your homework, note it down. Solve unit test paper 1 in your homework notebooks. Okay kids? Fine. At page number 32. Fine kids? What do you have to do? You have to solve the unit test paper in your homework notebooks. So till now we have finished our 4 chapters. In next class we will start our 5th chapter. Till then complete your notebook, even complete your reader part also. So stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.